Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's largest and most advanced tuna processing factories. From the deep ocean to the high-tech cutting line to packaging and export, you'll witness every step of how giant tuna become the high-quality seafood found in homes and restaurants around the world.
Far out in the deep blue horizon, life moves in powerful currents. And beneath these waters swims one of the ocean's most incredible species, the mighty tuna. Every day, fishing vessels set out before sunrise, navigating the vast ocean in search of the perfect catch. Using sonar and decades of experience, crews scan the waters for signs of tuna schools. When a school is detected, the crew springs into action. Nets are prepared, hooks aligned, and the hunt officially begins. With expert precision, fishermen cast giant nets into the sea, a technique honed over generations. Under the surface, tuna swim with powerful speed, their bodies built for endurance and agility. A hooked tuna can fight for minutes. Their strength is unmatched, a reminder of the ocean's raw power. Slowly, the line tightens. A massive bluefin breaks the surface, glistening under the morning sun. Hydraulic winches lift the tuna aboard. Each fish weighs between 100 to 300 pounds, making teamwork essential. Immediately, the catch is preserved with crushed ice to lock in freshness. Every second counts. With the deck full, the boat returns to the harbor, where the next phase of tuna's journey begins.
Standing tall near the shoreline, the tuna factory operates day and night, processing thousands of fish. Workers unload the fresh catch with precision, transporting it straight into the processing facility. Before entering, every worker passes through a strict hygiene tunnel, ensuring the environment stays perfectly sanitary. The tuna are placed on massive conveyor belts, marking the start of their transformation. Each fish is scanned and weighed. Data accuracy is crucial for quality classification. Different sizes mean different uses. Premium-grade tuna may become sashimi, while others are destined for cans. Before any shift, safety guidelines are reviewed. With heavy machines everywhere, safety is priority. Until processing begins, the tuna rests inside cold storage rooms, set to near-freezing temperatures. The first cut is decisive. An industrial saw removes the fish's head in one clean motion. High-tech machines take over, slicing the tuna with surgical accuracy. Human skill still matters. Expert butchers fillet the tuna by hand, preserving every piece of valuable meat. Workers carefully remove tiny bones, a delicate process requiring patience and focus. Rich red tuna meat is examined. Freshness can be identified by color, texture, and firmness. Automated rollers pull away the skin smoothly, preparing the meat for further processing. The tuna is sliced into uniform steaks, ready for freezing, canning, or packaging. No part is wasted. Byproducts are sorted for pet food, fertilizers, and other industries. Quality inspectors walk the floor, ensuring every step meets international food safety standards.
The fillets enter a high-pressure washing tunnel to remove any remaining impurities. In a -40°C environment, tuna meat is frozen instantly to lock in nutrition and flavor. Advanced X-ray scanners ensure no bones or foreign objects remain hidden. Some products require cube cuts. Machines slice perfect dice at lightning speed. The tuna moves to the canning line, where robotic fillers portion each can precisely. Flavoring liquid, whether olive oil, sunflower oil, or salted broth, is added carefully. Lids are sealed under pressure, forming an airtight container that protects freshness. The cans are cooked in giant steam chambers to ensure long shelf life. Colorful labels are applied with speed and precision, turning plain cans into familiar brands. Finished cans are boxed and sealed for shipping, each carton holding dozens of units. Robotic arms stack boxes neatly onto pallets, preparing them for long transport journeys. The warehouse holds thousands of cartons, waiting for distribution across the globe. Trucks arrive to transport the products to ports, supermarkets, and wholesalers. Containers filled with tuna products are loaded onto massive cargo ships, bound for international markets. In supermarkets worldwide, these tuna cans stand ready for customers, fresh, nutritious, and safely processed. In high-end restaurants, chefs transform premium cuts into beautiful dishes like sushi, sashimi, and seared tuna steaks. From ocean to plate, consumers enjoy tuna in countless forms, appreciating its flavor and value. Today's tuna industry works toward balance, harvesting responsibly, protecting marine life, and securing the ocean's future. Because every catch connects us to the sea, and every meal tells a story.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which factory you want to explore next.